Now we're ready to do the back side. We're on Math Work Text page 280. We've been talking about solid figures today. And the top three questions there, you've already done these, so I'll go over them pretty quickly and you can check to see how you're doing. We're to circle each solid figure. Remember, we're thinking that solid figures are those three-dimensional ones. All right, so you would circle the rectangular pyramid, circle the cylinder, and the sphere. Those are the solid figures. And then we're just going to label them. So the words are actually written here at the top of your paper, so you can copy them neatly. The first one, rectangular pyramid, and I didn't quite fit, so I'll just write it here. Next you have a cylinder. And the last one is a sphere. Again, just like the front and the next chart, they want us to put an X in the box if the solid figure has faces, edges, vertices, or curved surfaces. We don't have to write how many, just put an X. So does a cone have a face? It does. Remember the flat circle at the bottom, that's a face. It doesn't have any edges. Okay. And it has a curved surface. I'm having trouble marking there. Sorry about that. All right. And it does have a vertex, the point there. Make sure we mark that. Almost forgot. All right, next is a cube. Well, a cube has flat sides. It has edges, right? These are the edges. And it has vertices, it has the points. And it doesn't have any curved surfaces, so you'd leave that blank. Then we go to rectangular prism. It's the same as the cube. It has faces, has edges, and it has vertices. Okay. Hopefully that was easier this time. The cone was the only odd one. It does have a point at the top with the vertex, and it has a curved surface. So we'll go here. They give us a description, and then we're supposed to choose one of these three shapes here at the right. Whoops, sorry, I'm losing my paper. Rectangular pyramid, sphere, and rectangular prism. It says, I have no faces, no edges, and no vertices. What am I? Well, you must be a sphere. And these are the shapes that we just filled out with the boxes at the top. So if you're not sure, you can look up here in the section above. I have 4 triangular faces and 1 rectangular face. That is your rectangular pyramid. And the last one is rectangular prism. Okay. You probably had more room, a little easier there. At the bottom, I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. Sorry, that was a fast motion. And we're to write sums and differences in this section. So you have addition and subtraction problems that are mixed in together. The first two, there's no carrying and no borrowing. But in number 10, we're doing some carrying. So be really careful there. Double check, make sure your columns line up. 11, 13, and 15 all are subtraction with borrowings. Okay, for some of you, you have improved so much with this, but it's still something that you find a little tricky. So make sure, when the number on top has to be the bigger number, And when you make it bigger, you have to borrow from the number from the left. So you have to make sure you subtract 1 when you do that. So go ahead and you've already done this section. So double check your answers. If you missed one, okay, don't just copy the answer down. Erase what you had. Pause the video, erase what you had, go back and try it again, and then check it. Okay, because this is, I want to make sure all of you are really strong with this adding with carrying and subtracting with borrowing. Okay, all right. Again, check your answers. If you missed one, go back, try it again till we get it right. All right. Have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.